Hello guys, this is WaW 15 Mappers. This is our first tutorial how to port Black Ops guns without Meta 8.5. Yeah, because some people don't have Meta 8.5. I think actually this TUD's actually easier than Meta 8.5 because it's, Meta 8.5, it's just hard to understand in my opinion. So, first thing you want to do is make sure you have Black Ops 1 installed on your computer. And then you don't want to use it cracked. Well, that's one thing. And then you want to have it on Steam, and you want to go to Library, Tools. You just see Call of Duty Black Ops, Mod Tools, and then Beta. I don't know if the remote console is, but I'll see what that is later. So then you want to go to Tom BMX's site, because you're going to need two things. You're going to need Tom XM Extractor, and then Tom X Model Tilts, and then you should be downloading it. You see it supports COD 2, COD 4, COD 5, COD BO. That's what we're looking for. So I have X Model Utils right here. You want to go to Tom X Model Utils. I have that version of it. And then you want to go to what's settings. If you don't, just how to set up, and then you go to like where your thing is, and then active game COD BO, and then you want to save. And now we're here, we can see all the X models. Example of this thing. Oh, that's like the chair reset. Jung AK-47. I don't know what the fuck. It's white. Okay, so you want to do T5 underscore PON, and then we can choose a weapon. I did tried to do the G11, but it was stupid. It wasn't working for me. Let's see. What's a good weapon? Let's harpoon. Oh, okay, that's 23. 18. No, 18. What the? Really? They actually have that? Huh, I did not know that. Let's just do KS-23 because it's one of my favorite shotguns. You want to do, don't export Maya because we're not using Maya in this tut. Export XE, create GDT. For world, now we gotta do view model. Export XE, create GDT. Okay, we're done with Tom's X model thing. So now we want to go GTs. I can delete this one and this one because I tried doing G11, but it was being derpy. Okay, so you want to go GTs, and you want to go to your root folder for Call of Duty World at War. I have my World at War here. Then you want to go to where was it? It was maps. No, not map source. You want to go to model export. Oh, there it is. That was my tip of my tongue. So you want to delete. I'm going to just delete these because they weren't working. G11. You want to go to export it, and then you want to drag these, put in model export. Then you want to go GTs, have those two out. Not raw. I'm so used to just dragging them from CFG Factory. Yes, I'm a CFG user, but since I know how to port Black Ops guns without CFG, now I can just start doing it like professional. So I want to go to model export. Source data. Fuck. Source data. I did this before with the Olympia, and it worked perfectly fine. So KS3 view model world. Close that out. You want to go into Radiant. I have mine open already, so let me just close it and then asset. No, not asset viewer. Fuck. But here, I want to show you the Olympia. Show you that it worked perfectly fine. T5. Yeah, here's the Olympia here. Looks pretty cool actually. Like it. No May needed either, so. So I go to Asset Manager. File open. KS-23 view model. Let's do it first. Okay. Let's make sure. You want to delete normal map. Yeah, this happens to me because My asset manager is fucked hard right now. Then you want to do the X model convert asset only. Okay, we're done with that. So now we want to go to File, Open. We did the view model. Okay. Now we're doing world model. In KS23. Just delete that. Delete that. PC convert. You can also do F10, but I like just doing this because I pressed F11 and messed up everything. It's done. Asset only. World GT. Failed one. That happens sometimes. Let's go to asset viewer. Let's type out T5. T5. Case 23 view model. It sometimes is shiny. Now world model, let's see. Looks good. It looks pretty good, I gotta say. For a non-Maya 8.5 thing. But if for it not to be gold, you gotta do like turn spec maps off. This is the best I can do. So that's the model and asset viewer. So let's go in Radiant and actually see it. Disk model. Okay, so KS3 view model. There we go. This is the view model. Thanks to Juscoli for or something like that, porting the X models, and then that's the view model. Let's go to Disk model. Just show you the models. Case 23 world. There you go. It's perfectly fine. Looks really good. This is at Maya. This is part 1. Now we're going to port the X animations thanks to Tom. So, see you in a second.